Most people get this wrong about Hulu Live TV Guy. They sign up expecting a free trial, enter their credit card, and then suddenly get charged because they missed one important detail. Here's the truth no one tells you. Hulu's free trial offers change constantly, and in 2026, what you get depends on exactly how you sign up. In this video, I'll show you whether Hulu Live TV still has a free trial in 2026, how long it lasts, who qualifies, and the biggest mistakes that can accidentally cost you money. And stick around because in a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to test Hulu Live TV without getting hit with an unexpected bill. So let's get straight into it. Yes, Hulu Live TV still offers a free trial in some situations during 2026, but it's not always available to every user. This is where most people fail. They Google Hulu free trial, click the first link they see, and assume everybody gets the same deal. That's not how it works anymore. Typically, Hulu Live TV offers a short free trial for new subscribers. Most of the time, it's around 3 days. Sometimes Hulu removes the trial completely during big sports seasons or promotional periods. Then later, it comes back. So the first thing you need to understand is this. Free trials are dynamic. They change based on timing, location, and even your account history. For example, let's say Jake used Hulu 2 years ago with a different email. Even if he forgot about it, Hulu may still recognize his payment method or device. That can block him from getting another free trial. Meanwhile, his friend Alex signs up from a completely new account and gets the trial instantly. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Hulu actually has multiple subscription types, and the free trial rules are different for each one. The basic Hulu on-demand plan sometimes comes with a longer trial, but Hulu Live TV usually has the shorter version because it includes live channels, sports, and premium licensing costs. That means Hulu is taking a bigger financial risk by giving you free access. So if you're specifically looking for Hulu Live TV, don't expect a 30-day trial like streaming services used to offer years ago. In 2026, the standard expectation is much shorter. Now let's talk about how to actually claim the trial correctly. First, go directly to Hulu's official website or app. Avoid random third-party coupon sites promising extended free trials. Most of those are outdated or fake. Once you're on Hulu's Sign Up page, select the Hulu plus Live TV package. At this point, Hulu usually shows whether a trial is available before you enter payment information. Read the details carefully. This is important because sometimes the screen will show a promotional bundle instead of a trial. For example, Hulu may push a Disney bundle with ESPN Plus included. Other times, it may prioritize annual billing discounts instead of free access. This is where most people rush. They click through too fast and accidentally subscribe immediately. Take 10 seconds and look for wording like free trial, trial ends, or next billing date. That one step can save you money. Now, let's talk about eligibility because this confuses people every year. Generally, Hulu free trials are intended for brand new subscribers. That means new email, new payment method, and ideally a household that hasn't already used the trial recently. But here's the problem. Even if you technically qualify, Hulu's system can still flag duplicate accounts. If John creates 5 accounts using the same debit card, Hulu may reject the free trial completely. And honestly, that's one reason people think Hulu scammed them. In reality, they simply didn't qualify anymore. Another thing you need to know is device compatibility. Hulu Live TV works on smart TVs, Roku devices, Fire TV, Apple TV, gaming consoles, phones, and tablets. But some users accidentally test the service on an unsupported older device and assume the app is broken. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to test Hulu Live TV before the trial ends so you know whether it's actually worth paying for. First, let's answer the big question. Is a 3-day trial even enough? Surprisingly, yes. If you use it strategically. Most people waste the first day just browsing. That's a mistake. Instead, create a testing checklist before you sign up. Here's what smart users do. The first thing they test is local channels. Hulu Live TV includes local networks in many areas like ABC, NBC, Fox, and CBS Sky. But availability depends on your zip code. So immediately check whether your favorite local stations actually work. Second, test live sports quality. This matters a lot in 2026 because sports streaming still varies between services. Watch a live NBA game, NFL game, or soccer match during peak hours. See if buffering happens. Third, test DVR recording. Hulu includes cloud DVR features, but some people hate the interface while others love it. You need to test how easy it feels for you personally. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest difference between Hulu Live TV and cheaper streaming services is the combination of Live TV plus Hulu's on-demand library. That means after watching live channels, you can immediately jump into shows like popular FX series, Hulu originals, and next-day network episodes. For some people, that combination replaces both cable and Netflix. But here's the problem. Hulu Live TV is expensive compared to budget streaming platforms. In 2026, Hulu Live TV pricing is generally over $80 monthly once taxes and upgrades are included. That's why the free trial matters so much. You need to know whether you'll actually use the service enough to justify the cost. For example, Alex mainly watches sports and cable news. Hulu Live TV makes sense for him because he uses live channels every day. But Jake mostly watches YouTube and Netflix. In that situation, Hulu Live TV may feel overpriced. This is exactly why you should never subscribe just because of hype. Now let's talk about cancellation, because this is where many viewers get nervous. The good news is Hulu lets you cancel online pretty easily. You usually go into account settings, select Manage Subscription, and cancel before the billing date. But here's the key detail people forget. Don't wait until the last hour. Streaming billing systems sometimes process renewals earlier than expected depending on time zones or pending authorizations. So if your trial ends Friday night, cancel Friday morning instead. That one habit prevents almost all accidental charges. Another smart tip is setting a phone reminder the moment you start the trial. Literally set an alarm called Cancel Hulu Trial for 1 day before renewal. Simple. Easy. Effective. Now let's answer another huge search question. Can you still watch Hulu Live TV during the trial without restrictions? Usually, yes. You still get access to live channels, DVR features, and bundled content. Hulu wants you fully invested because the goal is converting you into a paying subscriber. However, certain premium add-ons like extra sports packages or premium movie channels may not be included unless you specifically select them. And here's something people rarely mention. Internet speed matters more than the trial itself. If your Wi-Fi struggles with 4K streaming or multiple devices, Hulu Live TV may feel unreliable, even though the service itself works fine. So before blaming Hulu, test your connection. Now here's where it gets really important for 2026 viewers. Streaming competition is much bigger now. Hulu isn't just competing with cable anymore. It's fighting YouTube TV, Sling TV, Fubo, DirecTV Stream, and even cheaper fast services. That means free trial offers can disappear anytime during major promotions or sports seasons. For example, during football season, demand spikes massively. Sometimes platforms reduce trial availability because they know users are more willing to pay immediately. So if you see a trial available today, don't assume it'll still exist next month. Now let's quickly compare Hulu's free trial value to competitors. YouTube TV sometimes offers longer promotional trials during special events. Sling TV usually focuses more on discounted first months instead of free trials. Fubo often pushes sports-heavy promotions. Hulu's advantage is the all-in-one bundle feeling. Live TV, Hulu Originals, Disney Plus access in many packages, and ESPN Plus integration all work together. That creates convenience. And convenience is exactly what streaming companies sell now. But convenience also gets expensive fast. This is why the smartest approach is testing your real viewing habits during the trial. Don't just binge random content. Use Hulu exactly how you'd use it after paying. Watch morning news. Test sports. Record a show. Use the app on your TV and phone. That's how you know whether it deserves a permanent spot in your budget. And honestly, that's the biggest takeaway from this entire video. Yes, Hulu Live TV can still offer a free trial in 2026. But availability changes constantly. Eligibility matters. And the smartest users treat the trial like a real test drive instead of free entertainment. If you remember only 3 things, remember this. First, always verify the trial details before entering payment info. Second, test the features you actually care about during those few days. And third, cancel early if you decide it's not worth the monthly price. That alone can save you money and frustration. Hopefully, this video helped you avoid the biggest Hulu Live TV mistakes people make every year. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below whether you think Hulu Live TV is actually worth the price in 2026. I'd love to hear your experience.